Have you ever seen a completely boring website and wondered, how could this possibly make money? Well, get ready to be shocked. Today, I'm revealing 8 plain-looking websites that are secretly making millions every month. When we get to number 3, you won't believe it even exists, yet it's generating insane cash. These aren't fancy e-commerce stores or complex platforms. They're simple websites that look almost outdated, but their owners are quietly banking millions. The best part, you could create something similar today with basic skills and almost no investment. The first website, smallpdf.com, making $17.5 million per year. Think PDF files are boring? Well, think again. Smallpdf.com is making tens of millions of dollars annually just by providing online PDF tools. On this website, users can compress PDF files to reduce file size, convert PDFs to Word, Excel, JPEG with just one click, merge, split, and edit PDFs effortlessly without installing any software. The best part? They offer free services, but they also have a $12 a month premium plan for unlimited usage. And they don't even need ads. Most of their revenue comes from premium subscriptions. Here's how SmallPDF makes money. The website gets 45 million visits each month, mostly from Google searches. According to Google AI Overview's estimates, the site makes $17.5 million a month annually, an incredible number. The lesson here, solving a common problem can attract millions of free visitors. Offer a free version to draw users in, and then upsell premium packages to create sustainable revenue. No ads needed, no complex content, just a simple but useful tool. Can you think of a small tool that could make money like this? Well, wait until you see what's next. This one will blow your mind. BuiltWith.com, making $2 to $5 million per month. Ever wonder what platform a website is using, which CMS, which advertising tools, or where they're hosting? BuiltWith.com answers all of this with just one click. Simply enter a URL, and BuiltWith analyzes and provides a detailed report about the technologies that website is using. Who needs this tool? Businesses. They use it to research competitors' technology. Market and SEO pros. They analyze market trends and find potential clients. Developers. They research technologies and optimize their projects. BuiltWith provides basic data for free, but for in-depth information, users must pay. How BuiltWith makes money. Pro packages from $295 to $995 per month, depending on the data detail level. API and technology data purchased by major corporations like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook for research and marketing. With 3 million visits per month and approximately 30,000 businesses and individual customers, BuiltWith's estimated revenue falls in around the $2 to $5 million region per month. It's unbelievable that a seemingly boring website like BuiltWith can generate millions of dollars monthly. The lesson? A simple tool providing important data can bring in massive revenue. Can you think of a tool that helps businesses analyze and optimize performance better? If so, that could be your next money printing machine. Now, let's look at something even more boring than BuiltWith, yet still insanely profitable. Typingtest.com, making $140,000 every month. Would you believe a website that only tests typing speed can make hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly? Sounds crazy, but that's exactly what typingtest.com is doing. On this website, you can test your typing speeds with free assessments, play typing games to improve your skills, practice touch typing with 14 advanced lessons. And the craziest part? They don't sell anything at all. All their revenue comes from display advertising. According to SimilarWeb, this site has 3.6 million visits every month. Each visitor views an average of 8 pages per visit. Assuming an RPM, revenue per 1,000 ad impressions of about $5, this site could be making over $140,000 every month just from ads. What can we learn from Typing Test? No need to sell product. With enough traffic, money automatically flows in. A simple, useful tool can attract millions of users. Gamification helps keep users longer, increasing ad revenue. So, do you have any ideas for a simple tool that millions of people would want to use? If typing seems boring, wait until you see the next website that's making serious cash. Unitconverters.net, making $34,000 per month. Would you believe that a website that helps convert inches to centimeters or kilometers to miles can make tens of thousands of dollars monthly? That's exactly what unitconverters.net is doing. This website provides hundreds of unit conversion tools, from basics like length, inches, feet, kilometers, and miles, weight, grams, pounds, kilograms, and ounces, and technical units, conversions for electricity, temperature, pressure, and energy. You could easily find these formulas on Google, but millions of people still choose to visit this website. According to SimilarWeb, this site has 4.5 million visits every month and an average of 1.5 pages viewed per visit. Assuming an RPM of $5, this site is making at least $34,000 a month entirely from ads. Where does this traffic come from? 80% of it comes from Google because this website ranks high for keywords like inches to feet, kilometers to miles, millimeters to inches. SEO is the money printer, helping this website attract millions of free visitors. When people visit and use the conversion tool, ads appear. Money flows into the website's owner's account. And the most interesting part? Anyone could create a website like this. Would you like to try it? Just visit unitconverters.net to see just how effortless conversions can be. If you're loving these money-making ideas, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next $1 million idea. Also, if you want to build a $1 million business from scratch, click the link in the description of this video right now to sign up for free weekly emails. Each email contains secrets, ideas, strategies, tools, and methods that have helped ordinary people reach the $1 million milestone. Don't miss out. Limited availability, so sign up now before it's too late. Let's look at an even more unexpected moneymaker. Chartsheets.com, making $40,000 a month. If you thought a unit conversion tool was boring enough, well, get ready, because this website revolves around Excel spreadsheets, something even more dry. But don't underestimate it. Chartsheets.com is a website that specializes in selling Excel spreadsheet templates to individuals and businesses. You can buy files for personal budgeting, manage your expenses, saving and investments, business financial forecasting, track cash flow, profits and growth plans, event management, project planning, personal scheduling. They even have Christmas planning templates of all things. The money-making model? Extremely simple but super effective. Selling spreadsheet templates priced from $10 to $170 per template. Nearly 100% profit. Create once, sell forever. No need for millions of visits, just customers willing to pay. According to the founder, with just 14,000 visits per month, this website still makes $40,000 a month. The lesson here is that digital products are a goldmine. There's no warehousing, no shipping. It's almost pure profit. No need for massive traffic. Just target the right customers who are ready to pay. People will pay premium prices because customers buy to save time and effort instead of creating from scratch. So, do you have any ideas for simple digital products that could generate sustainable income? Let's continue with an even more mundane website that's still raking in cash. IsItDownRightNow.com, $18,000 a month. Have you ever tried to access a website but it wouldn't load? And maybe you wondered, is it my internet or is the website actually down? IsItDownRightNow.com helps you check this instantly. The website is completely free, but it still makes tens of thousands of dollars monthly from advertising. According to SimilarWeb, this site has 2 million visits a month. Each visitor views an average of 1.76 pages per visit. Assuming an RPM of $5, this website could be making $18,000 a month just from ads. A simple but useful tool, it can attract millions of users and make serious money. So, could you create a simple utility tool that could earn you money online? The next website might be the most shocking one yet. Lipsum.com, making $12,000 every month. Have you seen those lorem ipsum paragraphs when designing websites, creating graphics, or making presentation slides? Guess what? There's a website that only provides dummy text but makes $12,000 monthly just from advertising. Lipsum.com is one of the most popular websites for generating placeholder text used in design, web development, and printing. This website doesn't sell any products at all, and it has no premium subscription model. It's simply a free lorem ipsum generator. So, how does it make money? Place ads on the website. 1.6 million visits per month, averaging 1.5 pages per view. With an RPM of $5, this site easily makes $12,000 a month. You don't need a breakthrough idea to make money from a website. just a simple tool that many people need on a regular basis. Could you create a simple but useful website like this? Now, let us check our final mind-blowing example. 10-minute email, making $10,000 every month. Have you ever needed a temporary email to register for a service but didn't want to use your main email? Try 10minutemail.com, a website that creates self-destructing emails that last just 10 minutes, completely free and anonymous. This website doesn't sell anything whatsoever that makes money from advertising. It's estimated to get 1.3 million visits per month, averaging 1.6 pages per visit. With an RPM of $5, this website could be making $10,000 a month just from ads. The lesson here: solve a small but widespread problem with a simple, useful tool. If you want to make money online, think about a simple tool that could help millions of people in their daily lives. Could you create a website like this? So, you discovered 8 seemingly simple websites, some earning up to millions of dollars monthly. But what's noteworthy here? They don't need complex technology or huge capital, just a right idea that meets market needs and a smart monetization model. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. Which website impressed you the most? Are there any other boring websites I didn't mention? Comment below and let's discuss. And if you want to create similar money-making websites, I've included helpful resources in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the exact steps on how to create your first $1 million website.